Hello friends, this is Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja here. So I hope you are liking my videos. So today's topic for a short video is how to deal with the cancellation of an appointment at the last minute, or how to deal with the situation where you're already treating a patient and the patient before that walked in almost an hour late and wants to be adjusted, or otherwise creates a ruckus in your OPD. For that, I always advise go back to the basics. The basics have been my favorite, whether it is finance or medical legal, or whether it comes to practice management or the general management of the clinic. The basics are the key. The problem starts itself from the first consultation part. We actually conveniently skip this part of practice management very poorly. This is attempted. We want to start the treatment immediately as soon as the patient say lands in clinic, without, and sometimes even the norms like history taking, consent, and all those things, even the uh, treatment charges, treatment planning, all those things are uh, bypassed actually before starting the treatment. So if you are doing an effective consultation, that is the time you actually have a upper hand, and you can easily convey the patient the do's and the don'ts of your practice. Once you convey them that you work according to appointment basis, and once you the patient has taken a time, kindly don't inform us at the last moment for a cancellation unless it is a say any emergency, which is understandable, which can happen with anyone. Unless it is an emergency, kindly don't advise say uh, inform us at the last moment. And if you are late for your appointment, kindly do call before coming, because we might be having a packed schedule and we might not be actually able to adjust you. And the problem is that if you have conveyed these things, then the problem itself does not occur. And the best part is that this becomes a problem because we have conveniently skipped to convey to the patient in the first place. Some patients actually will presume a system of your practice. If they walked in and there was no patient, might be it was a change over time. वो कोई बात नहीं, चले जाते, डॉक्टर खाली बैठा होता है. You need to convey that we work on appointment basis, and especially after the past 1 year or so, when the system of appointment underwent a change for majority. Of course, not at my or many other colleagues, because we were working on according to the similar principle long time back as well. The system has to change. There need not be much patients waiting in your operatory. You can't focus on too many people. You can't focus on multiple treatments at the same time. So you need to convey it via your say set norms and policies of the clinic, the system that you follow, the rules that you follow, and those are to be strictly followed by everyone. And once you convey it to the patient will not be presuming anything, and they will make it a point that if you have given them the time, they'll come on the allotted time only. But then vice versa should also hold good. What does it mean? That if the patient comes in for his or her appointment at 12 noon, he should be attended within 5 minutes or so, unless you are having an emergency, which should be also conveyed to the patient, and the patient should be informed of the same. But if it is not done, if the patient took an appointment at 12 and you are not informing the patient, and you're not having a say any emergency as well, just casually the schedule went haywire, or you are hardly a time person, the patient's appointment came in at 12:45 or quarter to 1, the patient will see यार अपॉइंटमेंट लेने का क्या फ़ायदा अगर यही काम करना है, अगली बार मैं आऊँगा आधा घंटा लेट. So that is the way the system starts setting in, because the communication is not there from our end, and then we have not attended to the patient in the first place. So the system has to be there, and it is not only important that you have the system, it is also important that you convey the same to the patient as well, because बात करने से ही बात बनती है. जितना आप वोकल रहेंगे, जितना आप कम्युनिकेट करेंगे, इट इज़ योर डेन, इट इज़ यू आर द लाइन ऑफ योर क्लिनिक, you actually rule that place. So why should you not tell my place, my rules apply? no patient can presume. They might have had a bad or a good experience of the past, where in the previous clinic the working system might have been different. They have come to you leaving that doctor. They don't want to go to that doctor with the same system. They have come to you, so it is your duty to convey to the patient regarding the same. So I hope I'm able to convey across the point. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do comment and share with your colleagues. Please do spread a word about the YouTube channel amongst colleagues as well. This channel is exclusively for all medical and dental colleagues and all the associated personnel who fall in the health care category. So this channel is my payback to the society, and I hope I'm trying to do my best for the profession I love the most, that is dentistry. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. There will be another video coming your way very, very shortly.